Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have used the scrap fabric from some of my previous projects to create some hair scrunchies. This is such an easy project, making it great for beginners. These can also be easily hand sewn. So let's get into it. Obviously you don't have to use fabric scraps, I just thought this would be a great way to stop any material being wasted. First I measured a piece of fabric that was 14 inches long and 3 inches wide. And cut this out. Next, I folded this in half, right sides together, and pinned along the open edge. I then sewed where I'd pinned to create a tube. This is how it looked once it was sewn. I then turned this inside out so it was now the right way round. I used a safety pin to help me do this. This is how it looked. I took a piece of elastic that was 7 inches long and pinned one end of it to the piece of fabric. I attached a safety pin to the other end of the elastic and fed it through the tube I had just made. Once it was fed all the way through, I removed the pin and tied the ends of the elastic together. I moved the knot round to the side so it wouldn't get in the way and placed one end of the fabric inside the other end. I then folded this edge in for a neater finish and sewed along the join to close up the scrunchie. The scrunchie was now complete and this is how it looked. These are so quick and easy to make, and with Christmas approaching, these would make a great handmade gift. Here are some others I made from other scraps of fabric I had. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.